Okay, anything else?
Will this example between North and South Korea help other nations that still have some conflict to follow in peace, especially with the cosmos joining together now?
Yes. You can see it already, yeah?
Yes, sir.
One country after another are having more peace and making peace now, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, but it has started slowly already before Korea. It's just Korea is the most striking event, yeah?
Yes.
Because they're truly just facing each other across just a demarcation line. You know that, yeah? And the situation was boiling. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So nobody would expect that. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Therefore, it's more spectacular, more exemplary. Everything else is just more slow. But Korea is so fast. You see that?
Yes.
Just in one day, they regulate everything. Just a handshake, yeah?
Yes.
And a pen. That is a wonderful victory, yeah?
Yes, it
That's
is.
the best example for all the world. They will, okay? Everybody else will be coming together, huh? Okay? Yes. Just Korea is the most striking phenomenon. and the Korean really do fear each other with all the nuclear and all the missile, flying all over. Remember?
Yes,
okay. It was boiling hot, yeah? And then suddenly peace just like that. Therefore, it's very worthy for us to celebrate, yeah?
Yes,
for the world to remember, huh? Okay. All right. Berlin was also a good example, yeah? Korea half and half, and it was boiling, yeah? Berlin was cool when it happened, but Korea was boiling hot, huh? And suddenly turned cool, and that is a phenomena, okay? It takes very big courage and wisdom, strength from these two wonderful leaders of Korea.
Yes,
That's why we celebrate it. It's just an example to celebrate, because if we celebrate every country truly, then we don't do anything else. Okay?
Yes,
to make one example, huh? Okay? It will be more peaceful, and the Korea peace will last long, huh? Okay?
Yes.
Last. Tell me, any more questions?
Master, I have a question regarding the benefit of the meditation, especially the inner sound meditation. Normally, when we do a long time brain work, like a computer or translation, etc., we easily feel battery low at the end of the day. But we observe, at least personally, during the time of Master's concentrated retreat, we find the sound meditation becomes so effective and almost instantly compared to before.
Yeah.
Maybe before we need to take half an hour at least to calm down ourselves. Now we just bloom away and immediately.
Good for you.
Yes, 5 minutes.
Oh.
So we appreciate the luck we have, and we wonder maybe it's all due to Master's level is become very high, and we receive the higher connection with Master. Maybe that's the reason why.
It's also all together, yeah? Peace in the world, peace for you.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, so it may be better I just go on retreat forever then. I wish I could. Actually, I wish I could, believe me, yeah? Because during retreat, if I meditate a lot, I don't taste the food, yeah? But if I eat only once every 2 days, oh, it tastes delicious. One every 2-3 days, yeah, understand?
Yes.
Yeah. If I don't eat every day, because I don't always feel like eating every day, yeah? But whenever I eat, it's delicious, yeah? And now, I have all the day, whenever I want to eat, I eat even once a day. It don't taste that good. Too much stress. It's just the Maya that harassing my helpers around me, and they in turn trouble me, yeah? Okay?
Yes,
yeah, they evoke all kind of feeling in them, yeah? Unsettled and some material desire and stuff like that, yeah? And they bother me, yeah? Okay? Never mind then. They also bother me in retreat, but at that time I'm strong, understand?
Yes, Master.
But doesn't matter. It's okay, whatever. I'm here not to enjoy or to eat. Even though my weakness is food, I love food. What I mean is I eat good food, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Yeah, except when I was younger, when I in retreat, I eat sesame and brown rice only, yeah? And And except one time when one of the abbot make fun of me, saying that I eat only one time a day, but I eat as much as 3 times. Yeah, it wasn't true, but when he said that, and then I quit eating altogether.
Oh, wow.
For weeks, and I was very worried, and he said, eat something, you know, you worry, why are you still working? You don't eat, but you're not meditating, you're just working. Are you okay? And all, everywhere in the whole temple worry, you know, and look at me very curiously, you know, and very uncomfortable because I'm the only one who did that there, yeah? They probably never heard of breatharian before. and then, okay, I have to eat again, but the first meal tastes like straw, you understand? Dry grass.
Yeah.
Tastes nothing. Tastes so, oh God, don't taste at all, yeah? And I feel like I fell down from the 5th floor, fell down to the ground, yeah? Not bang, but fell.
Yes,
Fell gently, but fell, yeah. But it's good that I go back to eating because through the food I can reconnect with all the world, understand me?
Yes, Master.
With the farmer, merchant, supermarket people, truck driver, you know what I mean? All the supplier, and the thing connected together, yeah? Otherwise, I probably would just be ordinary temple cleaning kind of ordinary, no concern monk. Yeah, but I cannot be that type monk. Okay, I'm a priest, still a priest. It's just I have to do different things. Okay?
Yes, Master.
I have to do accordingly. Yeah, according to the plan. Yeah.
Yes, Master.
So if I wear jewelry and beautiful clothes like that, you don't criticize, okay, huh?
No, Master.
I just had to, okay? I had to be glamorous. It's just the way it is, okay? Yeah.
We like it, Master.
Yeah, question?
Master, for our spiritual progress in connection with food and eating, is it beneficial for us regular practitioners to do sometimes short-term fasting or long-term fasting, and how can that benefit spiritually our progress?
Yeah, you can do that if you want. If you feel good about it, do it. And you can see if it benefits you or not, okay?
Yes, Master.
It's now and then if you want to give your body a rest, it's okay. No harm, huh?
Yes,
No
Master.
harm, okay? Yeah. But it depends. Sometimes my retreats are different. I cannot advise all of you do the same thing, okay? But you try, and if you feel good about it, then do it again, huh?
Yes, Master.
If not, then you don't. Got that?
Yes, Master.
Yeah. My retreat is sometimes very different. It's not like a normal retreat, like you sit and recite a sutra or do, you know, your things in 3 months, yeah? I have to have a periodically rest, yeah? Because the body cannot bear too much power. So sometimes you can see I come out for 2-3 days, yeah?
Yes,
And regulate our work or SMTV, my business and the dogs, and then I come back in, huh? Okay?
Yes, Master.
And sometimes I cannot eat at all. Sometimes I have to eat even if I don't want to. Okay? Yeah. Sometimes I cannot even drink water. Sometimes I have to. Sometimes I have to do it normally. Sometimes I have to stop eating.
Yes, Master.
So everyone is different. Depends on your level also. Yeah, okay? I cannot advise you to fast or not to fast. You try, okay?
Yes.
You do what you want. As long as you feel good, peaceful, and you feel like it helps you, then it's okay, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Because sometimes I am in some of such energy that I have to eat, otherwise I cannot balance it, okay?
Yes, Master.
But for you it's different. A normal retreat, then or normal meditation, you do what you feel like, okay?
Okay, Master.
Yes.
Yes, good.
Any more questions, love?
No, we're good. Thank you,
Very
Master.
good, Master. Thank you.
Okay, I thank you also. I just want to wish you happiness and creativity and elevation, upliftment, and spiritual progress in your new office, yeah?
Thank you, Master. Thank you so much.
Try to meditate as much as you can, just like now, huh?
Yes, Master.
In between the time and after work, before work, okay?
Yes, Master.
Because even though you work for SMTV, you have a lot of merit, a lot of spiritual blessing power, but that's why you have to meditate more, okay?
Yes, yes, Master.
Otherwise you cannot assimilate it,
Okay.
huh?
Yes, Master.
If I make a banquet and leave it on the table, but you don't go near and eat, how you get anything?
Yes,
Huh? Capish?
yes, Master.
Okay, so meditation is a must, huh? Okay, but for your level, maybe you cannot do much retreat, you know, not long term like I do, okay?
Yes, Master.
Because maybe too strong, huh? All right. I wish you all the best. That's what I mean. Okay, huh?
Thank you so much.
And if I don't see you again, then please don't blame me. It's something else, okay?
Yes, Master.
Not that I don't like you or I don't love you. I even toy with the idea of cooking for you every day, and we come at lunch together like a family, you know? Because I was very touched that you come and you have no family member with you, and I was thinking to create a family for you, but we can be a family in spiritual, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
And we cannot do everything. I'm alone, you understand?
Yes, yes.
I have a lot of work, huh? Mundane and spiritual and even dogs and assistant and business and SMTV, you know what I mean?
Yes, yes, Master.
Yeah, I already shortened my sleeping time, my eating time, everything, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Just to make everybody happy. My dogs, they cling to me too much. They don't want to go anywhere. Even in the morning, the whole night, they're desperate to go pee. They don't want to go out. Believe that? Oh, just sneak in a corner and hide. When the assistant comes, they go hiding. We have to use all kind of trick to lure them out. Yeah? And when they are in their room to eat and rest while I am not available, yeah? Oh, they keep howling, you know. Oh, the whole group, yeah? Oh man, I'm a one person. I say, what am I to do? You know? Okay then. So you know, huh? Okay?
Yes, Master. Thank you.
I talk to you now and then. That's the best I can do, huh?
Yes, no problem, Master.
Okay? I thought of movies with you, cooking for you sometime and all that. This is all dreaming. Cost nothing.
No problem,
I could not even eat for myself. How I even have time to prepare like a mother. You understand me? But I look upon you as my family members, okay?
Thank you, Master.
As my sons, my daughters, or my brothers, sisters, or my friends.
Yes, Master.
I really do. Okay? And I do love you.
We love you, Master.
All right, God bless. Have fun. Huh?
Thank you.
Okay, I love you.
We love you, Master.
And I appreciate your work also, yeah? Okay, you know that, huh?
Yes, Master.
Appreciate it. Okay, by the way, I was talking to one of your brothers, and I said, wow, look at our TV, you know, all the colors and all the imagination mixture of combined, you know, artistry and colors and scenery and people and the makeup, the dressing, all look like paradise, no? Look like Amitabha paradise, yeah? Right? Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful world we created, huh?
Yes.
Together with the brother and sister outside, huh?
Yes.
In the world, yeah? We're really beautiful TV. I'm really proud of you and all the SMTV workers out there, yeah? I'm really appreciative, okay, huh?
Thank you, Master.
I really do. Okay, now, that's it. I have to go now, okay? I ate only half of the bowl. I will continue to finish my half of the bowl before the dog come up, and then I have no chance. Okay, love you. Bye for now.
Bye, Master.
Good luck, eh? To new home.
Thank you so much.
New office, yeah.
Tisztelt nézők! Nagyra értékeljük társaságukat mai kétrészes epizódunk első részén, melynek címe Kozmosz egyesítés és univerzális béke valódi feltétel nélküli szeretet által a mester és tanítványok közt adásában. Kérjük, maradjanak a Supreme Master Television-ön további pozitív programokért. Ezután következik szemelvények a Theravada buddhizmus szentírásából, Diga Nikaya szuttája, 6. fejezet Mahalihoz, a hittestvérek célja. 2 részből a második, a bölcs szavak adásában, rögtön a figyelemre méltó hírek után. Isten áldja meg önöket bőséges spirituális dicsőséggel. May God bestow on you abound and spiritual glory. For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/bmd.